So here is another our topic. We are going to discuss business sample SF5. Fuka was the first business school I visited at the beginning of my application journey. No one in my family has ever attended college, let alone business school. So my visit opened a new world of opportunity for me. I sat in the auditorium with 300 other management leadership for tomorrow MLT fellows soaking up facts about Foucault's collaborative culture, global perspective, and distinguished faculty. My most vivid memory of the experience was at the end of first day when the Black and Latino MBA organization BLMBAO came on stage and helped me understand what it truly means to be on Team Fuqua. Dancing, cheering, and wearing their blue devil gear, the students made it easy to see a choosive, cohesive community for the students of color. On that, I have not felt so palpably at any other business school since. As I sat in that auditorium, I began to imagine myself as a part of Team Fuqua. And after the visit, I became more confident that there was a place for me at Jew. For these reasons, I am seeking a spot in the entering class of 2022. Post MBA, I plan to work as a product manager in an innovative digital healthcare company focused on using technology on transform patient care. Specifically, I would like to work in wireless tech and data analyst focused on the chronic disease management, uh, similar to Twine Health, a platform integrated into patients' Fitbits to monitor diabetes related vitals in preparation for a career in healthcare. I plan on being a part of Focus Healthcare Club HCC. I look forward to contributing to this community through my perspective in healthcare consulting as well as my experience in the health insurance marketplace. By participating in the HCC, I will leverage the insight from second year students as I navigate the healthcare recruiting process during HCC Lifeline section. In time, I hope to return the favor by helping new students navigate recruitment, coursework, and life in Durham. Particularly, I am excited to gain valuable insight into the healthcare industry through programming. So, this was our topic.